Oh man, wanna make this quick vid to show people that well yeah of course one right there. Yeah. Anyway though. Anyway, I wanna show you my fridge, yeah? And of course dishes. Yeah. So yeah, right now what I want to do, yeah, I got very nothing in the freezer though. Yeah, cause I want to empty this freezer. Yeah, yeah, of course. That stuff, yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah. Gotta give me one side though. Soon as all of this is eaten up though. Only thing I would have in here is salad, huh? Salad bag. One big bag of salad and meats though. To eat alongside with that. After all of this, of course. And then I'm gonna have fruit in here for dessert though too. Yeah. Ah, it would be salad every day. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, and for dessert, fruit. Though yeah. So yeah, that's that. Let's see. I think we check in here though. Is there anything in here? No. But it need to be cleaned out though. I tell you that. Oh man. So yeah though, I calculate all of that. See how much I'm gonna spend for this stuff. Yeah. Yeah. Dishes. Yeah. Man. Yeah. I have ramen noodles up there, but I ate all of that. Like I had another a bunch of ramen noodle packs in there last week, but I ate all of that. I just ate some today, yeah. And of course, ravioli, vegetables, yep. Chicken seasoning, yeah. Oh man, I got my hamburger stuffed on now. Spaghetti strings, yeah. Oh man, and then I gotta buy more mac and cheese and tea right there with honey. I had that since last year around this time was when I bought that. Yep. Oh man, yep. I want to say my bad on taking 3 day break with no videos or stream for that matter though, yeah.